Excellent! By clicking on this introduction video, you make your first step to become a successful entrepreneur. In this course, you will learn what is the product, what type of products have the potential to produce high profits, type of digital products, what is secret formula of success. I will show you step by step on how to build an effective digital product. I will show you examples of the product content and how to write the product description that will grab your buyer's attention. By the end of this course, you will have your fully functional digital product to sell. Hi everyone, my name is Dejan. I'm Master of Computer Science and Information Technology, digital entrepreneur and trainer of trainers with more than 50 international certificates in different areas of information technology. Based on my previous experience, I have created this user-friendly course so I can help individuals and teams to get better results at what they are doing. This course saves money and it's short and clear enough. I promise you that I will not waste your time, will be very productive and efficient. So let's start building your digital product together right now. Take the action. Your first entrepreneur journey starts here. Welcome to course on how to build an effective digital product.